हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू टाइम क्लस्टर। मैं हूं आदित्य, मेरे साथ है स्वस्ति और हम आज खेलने जा रहे हैं वुड यू रैदर। सो जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, इसमें दो ऑप्शन देते हैं, हमें किसी एक को चूज करना होगा। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो पहला क्वेश्चन है, इसमें इन्होंने बोला है वुड यू रैदर लूज ऑल द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और लूज ऑल द कार्स। सो जैसे कि वो सेलेक्ट हो गया था ऑल द कार्स, सो नाउ we have a option, have a beer belly or have a double chin. So I do want double chin because beer belly, because I do not drink the belly and I also do not like the belly kind of things. Okay, so I can go with the double chin. So most of the people selected 63%. And now have bad breath or heavy smelly feet. Smelly feet, see, I do brush daily, so I don't want a bad breath, but smelly feet might be at the sometime. So have a smelly feet. So 85% guys are with me. So see how great I am. So now the question is, be the part, be at the best in the world at something but no one knows it. Be the worst in the world and at something and everyone knows.
Wow.
So I go with the second because as everyone say, either be best or worst. But if nobody knows that you are worst or best, then it is nothing matters. So I am going with the first option, not second. So see,
85.
85% are guys with me. See. So now I take a ice cold shower and be clean. So I will go with the first option because I do shower only with the cold water only in the winters. So 86%. I'm not sure these guys really don't want to shower or not, but I do.
So it is a break time, guys.
So now the break is gone.
So guys, let us tell if you want more games.
So now change your name, change your appearance. So I don't want to change my name because it was given by my parents and I love them. But change your appearance. Appearance will automatically change if you see in the childhood you are not the similar you are now. So yeah, change your appearance. I will go with that. So 63% is with me. So that will be a great. Now know when the world ends and know how the world ends.
Wow.
So-
I think it will be 50-50% tie. So I go however and not the when it. So what's your choice?
No, so I want when the world ends because if I know that, then might be using permutation and combination we can find how world will end.
And he can just stop that. Oh,
But only 43% are guys
So
with me.
I am the winner.
वैसे तो फ्री हो गई क्या माँ साथ ले ले स्टॉप ऑफ कर ले
Marry a new random person every year. Oh, no. Marry one random person. Stick with it. Tell me.
Marry a new random person and marry one person. Random person.
Stick with him.
Yes, second option.
Yes. So 68% agrees. Know the truth about UFOs. I think so. I would to know the truth about Bigfoot.
No, so I want UFOs because Bigfoot is only Earth creature, but when you know the FO. So now, guys, 69% are with me.
Yo. So guys, let us continue forward.
So be transported to a place and time to choosing in the past. Be transported to a random place and time in the future.
Okay.
So past, as we know, past is only the thing we committed. So I'm going in the future,
Let's go forward.
but only 45% are with me. So now have perfect luck. Every second receive all the knowledge on the what action of the choice will cause.
Oh god. The both are difficult choices.
So have perfect luck. I'm not going with that, but
Blue option.
so I'm going with the blue one. So only see now the people are coming. You see
In the
people,
luck.
People believes in the luck, but I'm not sure they are not believing in the actions anymore. So now get ahead. So use sandpaper for a toilet.
Oh,
Use
God.
vinegar for eye drop.
No.
So I am going with the vinegar for the eye drop because I do use Patanjali eye drop. So it is ginger
No,
and
I won't agree with it, but I agree with the sand newspaper and we did it.
So 70, man, they guys are seriously so dumb. I'm not sure. Do 100 push-up, run a mile. So I will go with the 100 push-up.
I'll run a mile. Lower.
So see, people are so lazy. They can run, and it is a mile. It is not 1 kilometer, so might be 1.4 kilometers they have to run, and they have to run, not just have to walk.
Yeah.
They have to understand.
walk.
Always dress appropriately for the weather. Always have a pleasant body odor. Yeah, second one.
So the 44% people agree, but not 56%. Half of the people agree with the red option. Let's go forward. Only interact with males and females.
I'm going with second. I'm winning.
Hey Siri, how do you like my new phone case? I don't know, what are you doing? Why are you painting your phone? Wait, that tickles.
This friend of from now, so we'll do it.
So wrestle a lion
Fight a shark. No, shark at all. No.
because I also don't know the swimming.
Yeah.
So
swimming.
fighting with a shark is just killing myself in twice. But wrestle a lion might be I give him a sub punch and might be he run away. So I'm going with the first option.
Oh yes, we are like.
So people who know the swimming can go with the second option also, but it is not for me. Spend every minute for the rest of your life indoors. Spend every minute outdoors.
Out. I think
So
so.
I am
outdoors,
second.
But
But
people are so lazy that they won't able to run or just walk on meat or feet.
unable to open doors, only able to do the sprint.
Oh, okay. So we'll choose be unable to open doors. Yeah, but no people and all agree with it. So guys, just end this beautiful video here as. So we'll meet in another video, and tomorrow the